pesos for the champion for this year's Sayawit para sa Kalikasan competition. We have EB Magalona National High School. We request our representative from EB Magalona to please join us in front. Okay, congratulations, EB Magalona. Please join us in front. And of course, a very good tribute no, sa aton late Enro from EB Magalona, Sir Jokjo. Let's give a round of applause to EB Magalona! Once again, congratulations to all participating schools. This event would not be possible without your help. And of course, we would like on behalf of the Provincial Environment Management Office, the Province of Negros Occidental, our partners from Philbayo, our partner SMCT Bacolod, madamong salamat. May this event be a reminder that our actions, whatever small you may think they be, will have a big impact to our society. So padayon kita para sa Negros, para sa kalikasan, Avance Negrense! Of course, if you have time later on, we are inviting you to visit our exhibit for Regional Wildlife Month. It's already available on the North Block or at the North Block here at SMCT Bacolod.